What's up, guys? I've just arrived at Barker's, and as you can see, it is glassed off. The tide's pretty low, so I'm just gonna wade out onto the flats and hopefully we can get a bonefish, if not some jacks. And yeah, that's the plan. Fuck, I missed him. No way. Oh, fuck. Yeah, I'll do it. Spooked. Holy shit. Jesus. Got it! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh fuck! This snagging? What's going on? No. Bonefish on. Finally, dude. That was sick. I thought I like snagged him for a second because he was like not pulling. He still isn't. Come on, make a run. I snagged him in the mouth, that's what I did. He might make a run when I get him close here. Yeah, he's a little guy. He's not that bad. I'm happy with that. Oh. Beautiful. Man, I've seen so many bonefish today and spooked tons, almost every fucking cast. So it feels really good to get this guy. That was cool eat, man. I just fed him so nicely. Beautiful fish. That's what it's all about. Oh shit. Oh, oh, oh. Man, such a strong fish. Alright, buddy. Let's get you unhooked. Come here, dude. This is a solid fish still, actually. Oh! Hell yeah. Oh, yeah, that's a solid bone, actually. Yeah, he didn't really fight. As much as I thought he would, at least. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. There he is, guys. Get that fly out. Right in the corner of the mouth, look at that. Oh, sorry, bud. Man, I should probably be fishing barbless hooks, eh? Such a small barb though, how is he still... It's really sunk in there. Come on. Come on. There it is. Alright. Just like that, he's off. See you later, buddy. Thanks. Well, after casting at these tailing bonefish all afternoon, I finally got one, so that feels really good. That was an awesome eat. You know, I saw him tailing out there, you know, snuck up on him, put a cast right to the left of him because he was kind of tailing going to the left, and gave him a couple ticks. He turned on it and just ate it. It was really cool. And, you know, it was a beautiful afternoon. It's still really beautiful. You know, I could probably keep walking the flats for a bit if I wanted to, but I'm pretty happy with my bonefish after all of those casts and all those spooked fish. So I'm gonna head home and yeah, catch you guys in the next video. Tight lines. I don't know if someone's like done a beach cleanup and just left the bag here. It's kind of what it looks like. That's fucking what? Like, I mean, I'll take a whiff, but that's just, if you're gonna do a beach cleanup, take the fucking bag with you.